This is my iPhone SE, first generation, and this is my iPhone XR. With the latest iOS 14 update, I tried doing a system restore with this iOS 14 phone, and it got stuck in a Apple icon boot loop. It never actually did the system restore, or the software restore. So I had to put into DFU mode and use iTunes to do the restore. And then on this phone, it wasn't DFU mode, it was just recovery mode. This iPhone iOS with iOS 14, it's an XR. I just tried to factory reset it and it got stuck while it was on the progress bar. And so it required me to do a forced reboot. So I would say iOS 14 is not good with system restores as well as factory resets. So I wonder if anyone else has problems with the iOS 14 with this. We'll have to see, because then some people can tell me whether or not it's an issue. I know it was for me recently. I was kind of worried because I needed to turn this phone in for a trade-in, this XR. But now it's working.